Hello, welcome to Math with B. Today, we are going to learn about negative exponents. A base or number with a negative exponent equals the reciprocal of the base or number with a positive exponent. Let me show you what I mean. First, let's look at what's meant by a reciprocal. A reciprocal is a fraction or number turned upside down. 2/3 turned upside down is 3/2. To find the reciprocal of 4, we first put it over 1. Now we can turn this fraction upside down. The reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. Now let's look at a base or number 4 raised to the power of a negative exponent. First, I put this over 1. A base or number with a negative exponent is equal to the reciprocal of the base or number with a positive exponent. 1 over 4 squared equals 1 over 4 times 4, which is 16. And we're finished. Here we have 10 raised to the power of negative 5. I first put this over 1. A base or number with a negative exponent is equal to its reciprocal of the base or number with a positive exponent. 1 over 10 to the 5th equals a 1 over a 1 with 5 zeros, or 1 over 100,000. Let's look at one more. Here I have the negative exponent in the denominator. I find the reciprocal of this number, changing the exponent to positive. 2 to the 3rd equals 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. 8 over 1 equals 8. And we're done. Let's try some on your own. Find the value of each expression. The answers are at the bottom. Pause this video now so that you can complete these by yourself. Let's recap what we learned today. To find the value of expressions with negative exponents, flip the fraction and change the negative exponent to positive. Evaluate the expression by calculating the value of the base with the positive exponent. This completes our lesson on negative exponents. Thank you for tuning in to Math with B.